Hello everyone and welcome to another video. I was a bit bored, so I thought I show you something cool that I recently found out about. So basically it's like a mathematical thing where you subtract mirrored numbers with each other, and it has this very peculiar effect that it's pretty cool. So basically what you do is, let me just open up a Python shell here so that we can do some math. Basically you take a number, preferably a number with multiple digits, so let's take 4, 3, 5, I don't know. And then what you do is you subtract the mirrored number from that, so you do minus 534, and you're gonna get minus 99. And if you get a negative number, you always want to convert it to a positive number. So every result that is signed, you convert it to an unsigned. So basically you do, in this case we got 99, and now we want to subtract 99 with the mirrored version of 99, which is actually 99, so we're gonna get 0. So my question here now is, did you see a pattern here? Let's take another number. Let's take 751, and let's subtract 157. We're gonna get 594. Okay, so 594 minus 495, 99. 99 minus 99 is 0. So I think you can notice a pattern here. When you subtract the mirrored numbers, eventually you're going to reach a number that is divisible by 9. And after a while, it's going to collapse to 0. So this one here gave us 99, and 99 minus 99 is 0. 751 minus 157 is 594. 594 minus 495 is 99. 99 minus 99 is 0. Yeah, you get the point. Let's just take one more number. So let's do 832 minus 238. Oh, we got 594 again. 594 minus 495. 99 minus 99. Okay, so that's pretty cool, right? Now, there is a very cool number here that doesn't have this effect, or that doesn't behave like this. So we got the number 2178. 2178. This number, well, let me not tell you what's going to happen. Let's just see what happens, okay? So 2178 minus 8712. 2178 minus 8712 is equal to this, and let's subtract it. 4356, and as you can see, we ended up at 2178 again. And obviously if we perform the same operation again, we're basically just going to end up in an infinite loop. So if you do 2178, that number is going to give you an infinite loop. Pretty cool, huh? So I wrote a program in Python for this. Let's open up the editor here. So here's basically what I wrote. It's pretty simple. So I have a function here that just takes a digit and mirrors it. And then I have another function that just calculates the result. And then I have another result that just, or another function that just appends the result. So basically what you can do is, or what I did was that I also made a graph out of this. So if I run, I think I can do something like this, source, then bin activate, and I can do mirnum. Yeah, just call this program mirnum. And then I have to enter a number, so let's take, I don't know. Oh, it wasn't found. Maybe I have to run it again. Okay. So if we do mirnum and a number. Oh, that doesn't work. Why doesn't it work? Oh, I have to do it like that. Okay. And it's gonna plot a graph for me here now. So if I do eog plot.png, we should see a graph here of the sequence that the number 7418 generates. So here's that graph. So as you can see, eventually it collapses to 0. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Let's do another number. Let's do there we go. Plot PNG. And here's that graph for that number, the 82176. Now, if I enter this number that will end up giving us an infinite loop, 2178, I'm actually handling that by checking if the sequence contains the same number twice, then I'm just considering it an endless loop. So it's actually not going to plot that. It's just going to say infinite loop, try another number. So there we go, I tried another number. So pretty cool, right? So this is the sequence here that the 1178 generated. So basically, if I would go and do the subtractions on this number, minus 8711, I'm gonna, if I keep doing this, I'm gonna get the sequences here in this array that my program calculated. As you can see, now we ended up with that. And if I kept doing it, I would just end up in this sequence here. So as you can see, even here, at one point we were ending up at 99 and then we're collapsing to 0. So anyway, I was just a bit bored, so I thought I wanted to show you something. I haven't uploaded anything in a while, so... but yeah, I thought this was pretty cool. And interesting. So tell me what you think. Yeah, as you might have guessed, I've been really bored. But anyway, just wanted to show you this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.